So I got my chainsaws back today. From being serviced. I got the Still 021 and I don't know what the other one is, but yeah, that's the bar on it. I'll be posting later, well, additional to this video, what I cut up and what I split up with the log splitter on the different piles. So yeah, that's the chainsaws after being serviced. We'll see how they work out today. Cool. So after taking the chainsaws next door and cutting up the old pine tree, we managed to get a full load of the trailer with the quad bike, and we've taken it back. We managed to split it up with the log splitter, and this is the result. So far I managed to get 4 wheelbarrow loads out of this, and during the week hopefully it will all dry out, so should be ready to go onto the woodshed closer by the end of this week. So good job for a Sunday, I reckon. As you can see from the image, after doing the firewood, the bolt got the metal fatigue, so it's going to need to be replaced. So I've just removed that now and be taking that in this week to get replaced, and then we should be all good for next weekend to do another lot of firewood, maybe some more splitting. So yeah, that's the update for last weekend.